So I recently had a subscriber send me a palette and asked me what my opinion was on it. Her daughter picked up the Modern Renaissance palette, and this is her palette here. I hope you can see it. I don't know what is going on with my lighting, so hopefully you can see it pretty good in this picture there. Her daughter picked up the Modern Renaissance palette off of, I think she said it was Facebook. So her daughter picked it up for $20. I'm assuming she was extremely excited. The Modern Renaissance palette has been a staple in most of our makeup collections. It's an absolutely great palette and we all love it very much. She ended up getting this one, and let me show you what it looks like here. It looks really similar to a real palette. Mine is very dirty. I'll show you what mine looks like here. As far as the size goes, mine, which is the real one here on this side, is a little bit thicker than the one that she got sent. The subscriber, which her name is Misty, said that when she got this in the mail, she knew right away that this was not a real palette. Again, her daughter purchased this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like here on the inside. So here's the fake and here's the real. You can see that there is a big difference in, you can see mine's well used, a big difference in the pan size and the color itself. She said that her daughter was really upset. The lady that sold it to her assured her that it was a real palette. I would assume that she probably sent her pictures of it. You can see here on the box that they definitely, it's like a printout. It's really weird how they did that. And then they also did include a code on here, which would make you think that it's authentic. Mine feels really soft and smooth. This one feels more scratchy. Mine is heavier than this one, and this one is really, really light. The brush that they sent her, it seems like an okay brush. It doesn't look like a bad brush, but it's definitely not the brush that you got with the regular Modern Renaissance palettes. My issue with this whole thing is when you buy offline and you're thinking that you're buying something that is real and you don't, your impression of the brand itself is something completely different, especially for people that don't know the difference. The good thing is that the mom, Misty, said that she already had the original. Her daughter was the one that purchased it. So when she got this one in the mail, she knew right away that this was a fake and actually gave her original so that she wouldn't feel so bad, because she's a younger kid and she made a mistake and spent her money on something that wasn't real. When you buy makeup from somebody that you are not sure of, you're taking a risk of getting products that are harmful for you. You do not know where this is made. The ingredients on the back of this box are simply just copied from the original makers of the product. ABH, Anastasia of Beverly Hills, takes their time to make products that have good ingredients for their consumers, and would never put anything that is harmful or knowingly harmful in their products. So this is why their products are more expensive. They put good ingredients, they want them to last, they want the pigment to be good, and they don't put stuff like arsenic and stuff like that in their products. When you buy products like this from not a reputable company, or somebody that you can trust, you are taking the chance of putting stuff on your face that could be harmful, or on your body. Normally when you put eyeshadows on and you're putting blush on, anything like that, you ingest it, you breathe it in. I mean, just putting on some of the Too Faced new products, you ingest it. You can taste the sugar that's in the chocolate bar pellets and the peach pellets. So you're ingesting this stuff into your body, which is not good. You're also putting it next to your eye, if you don't know what the ingredients are, could be very harmful. Not only can you get a rash or develop a eye problem, but you could potentially go blind. So I don't know that buying products like this from somebody that you can't trust is a good idea, even if it is at a discounted price. My suggestion to anybody that sees somebody on Facebook selling something would be to do your research before you buy. This is just not worth your eyesight or your health to spend $20 less and get a piece of crap like this. I mean, I feel super bad for Misty and her family, or her daughter, for spending their well-earned money on something that wasn't of a good quality. But with that said, you also don't know what's inside this palette, the ingredients, and that's something that I'm really grateful that she realized that this palette was not a good one, and she took it away from her daughter and gave her original, because it could have potentially made her go blind. You don't know what's in these products. This palette doesn't have bad colors in here. I mean, it's not what she was looking for at all by any means, but I mean, it could still be potentially bad for her. You just don't know. The colors in here could potentially have something in there that will make her sick. There are a lot of people out there making palettes and lipsticks and, you know, everything that you could think of in a cheaper way because they want to make money. They don't really care about your health or, you know, what you're putting on your face or on your eyes, and you got to be really careful. Your skin is the biggest organism you have, and putting ingredients on your face and eyes that are not supposed to be there could potentially be really harmful. So my thoughts are, if you really want something that everybody is talking about but you're not able to afford it, either save up your money or just go to another company that you know is a safe company and just buy colors similar to that. Losing your eyesight, getting yourself sick is not something you want to do just to have what everybody else has. We are in this business of YouTube to show you the new things out there. I hope that nobody ever feels like they need to buy it because we're showing you. We're just telling you what has come out new, what you can buy. There are also a ton of dupes out there for certain colors. It is not necessary for you to run out and spend less money on a product that somebody is saying is the same thing, but it's not, to harm yourself just to be part of the trend. Make sure your health is always the first thing you're thinking about. Try not to fall into that trap of somebody saying that it's real and then when you get it, it's absolutely not. There's nothing you can do about it at that point. You can't return it. Or just be careful what you buy off of line that's not from the actual store, just so that you're not harming yourself in any way. And that's pretty much all I have to say about that. So thank you so much, Misty, for sending me this product so you can have me look at it and tell you what my thoughts are on this product versus the real one. She told me just to go ahead and throw it away when I'm done with it, and I've already put it in the trash. I will not be using that palette. I would not suggest anybody use palettes that are not coming from the actual company. And that's everything I have to say. So I hope you guys have a great afternoon. I'll talk to you guys sometime within the week. Bye bye.